Hey friends, welcome back to a new vlog of TripAdvisor. Let us see the amazing view from Anjengo lighthouse in Trivandrum in this vlog. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell for more travel videos. The Anjengo or Anchuthengu has a famous fort with a historical significance. But in this video, we are going to explore more about this lighthouse which is near to the fort. It takes around 12 km from Varkala to reach this place. Check out video description to know about the entry fee and timings. It is a 130 feet tall lighthouse which is believed to have guided the ships arriving from Britain. You need to keep your footwear at the starting point and need to climb more than 100 steps to reach the top viewpoint. Initially you might feel little difficult to climb so many steps, but the view from top is truly worth the effort. Instead of climbing all the steps in one go, you can climb a little bit, then take rest and proceed further. There is very less space to walk around the viewpoint, so be careful and enjoy the view. This is one of the very few viewpoints where you will get a chance to see a fort, lake and beach from a single point. Plan to visit this place on your trip to Trivandrum and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.